You have probably searched how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself. Then I assume that you have seen gurus promising that you can make from $10,000 a month all the way to $100,000 a month on YouTube without creating videos. Is it true? Are those people just fake gurus? Or can you really make a life-changing income without creating videos? In this video you will learn 4 different ways to make money and also secrets that fake gurus won't tell you. If you don't know me before, my name is Roope Kiuttu and I'm the founder of a popular YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people worldwide to make money from home. On this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and also in my program that goes with the same name, I help people to make money specifically on YouTube. And let's go through immediately how will you make money on YouTube. It's 4 simple steps. Step number 1, you publish videos. Step number 2, get views. Step number 3, monetize those views. And step number 4, you earn money automatically. Now you might be asking, but how can I monetize those views? How can I earn money on YouTube with views? There are many different ways. YouTube ads, also known as one-click monetization method. Copy-pasting links, also known as affiliate marketing. Channel memberships, sponsored videos, meaning that companies give you money for mentioning their products. Merchandise, which are clothes and bags and this kind of things. And of course your own products. Many people are afraid of the money-making step number 1, which is publishing videos. Other parts of money-making process are pretty easy, right? Copy-pasting a link in the description of your video doesn't require much effort. So how will you publish those videos without creating the videos? Let's go through that process right now. First, I must state an obvious fact that some gurus don't want to tell you, which is that videos don't just magically pop up on your YouTube channel. You always need to do at least something, and there are at least 4 different options that you can do. First option is to republish old videos. Second option is to let somebody else to create videos for you and collect the money. Third option is to use copyright-free clips and recreate your own version. And fourth option is to translate videos into other languages such as Spanish, French, Portuguese and so on and so forth. Which one is the easiest method to make money? In my opinion, strategy number 1. The whole process will take anything from 15 to 120 minutes. And I know this myself because I'm using this method to make money regularly. And some individual videos that I have republished have made me thousands of dollars. So that has been a really good ROI, return on investment, less than 2 hours, and with that work I earned like thousands of dollars. Pretty nice. Of course not every video performs so well, but that shows you the potential. You will have 5 tasks to make money with this method. Step number 1 is download the video. Of course you need to decide what video you want to download, but here would be one example. I could use, for example, y2mate.com, and then I could click here a download button and I have this video. Once I have done it, I come back to YouTube and I click right here to create, and then I click here upload video. Then I drag and drop the video right here, and then I copy paste the information from my previous video. So I come right here and I click here select all. I click here copy, and then I come to a new video and I paste this information. I click here paste, and the same also with the other information such as tags. I come here to copy all and I paste it on the new video, and the same also with playlist. I add it to the same playlist, and after I have copy pasted all the information, I delete this video, or I come right here and I set this to private, so there will not be 2 identical videos on YouTube. Then you go for the new video, you click here public, and then you make sure to publish the video. Then you start earning money automatically. The only challenge with this method is that first you need to have some videos that you can republish. If you don't have any of your own videos yet, then you need to use either strategy number 2, 3 or 4. And now we go through those one by one, starting from strategy number 2, and that is hire somebody else to create videos for you. This method requires 2 things: money and knowledge how the money making process on YouTube works. Of course you can pay many people $50 to create a simple video for you, but you still need to know how to publish it and earn money in a profitable way. If you have watched my channel Tube Journey to Freedom, or if you have gone through my complete program Tube Journey to Freedom, you of course know the money making process already. But with $50 you are not going to get some high quality videos. Good creators will definitely charge you hundreds of dollars, and some creators in the Western countries perhaps even thousands of dollars for each video. That's why I recommend for beginners starting for free, or at least almost for free. So you will learn the money making process yourself, and once you have learned the process, you are making some money on YouTube, then you can start hiring other people. If you don't know the money making process and you are paying money for other people to create your videos, you may end up burning a lot of money. So first, at least go through my program and other videos on my YouTube Journey to Freedom channel, so you know for sure how to make money on YouTube. Strategy number 3 is use copyright free clips and audios and recreate your own version. This is usually the method that gurus talk about when they put in the title "Make money on YouTube without creating videos yourself." In a nutshell, you will use different resources to create YouTube videos. Let me show you some examples on my computer. If you want to get speeches, video or audio, Internet Archive, archive.com is a great resource. Let's say you want to get motivational videos, for example. You can search here motivational video, and you can see that there are many different motivational videos here immediately. Here we have, and also if you want to get just audios, you can type here motivational speech, and you can find many different motivational speeches. Here is a famous one from Shia LaBeouf, Just Do It. If you want to download any of these, you can simply click right here, and then you will be able to download it right here. You can see you can download all the files immediately here on the right hand side. Then if you want to get short video clips, you can use, let me show a couple of different options. Pixabay, Pexels, these are free options. Let me just give you an example. You can choose videos right here, and then you type anything you want. Let's say you want, for example, fitness. Let's say you are building a fitness channel, and here you can see this also work well for the motivational videos. You can see somebody building his biceps, here somebody doing the pull-ups and these kind of things, and you will find here like millions of different video clips and anything you can imagine. The same of course applies to Pixabay as well. You can search images, videos, music, sound effects, and you can see they have more than 2.7 million resources. Just to give you a quick example, let's put motivational, and you can see here images, but let's take a look at videos. You can click right here. There is a coffee motivational, but also running. You can put the running motivation video on YouTube, or fitness motivational video, and so on. Then there are also paid resources such as Envato Elements. This is the resource that I and my video editor on YouTube use, so this is a great resource. It costs some money, but I think it's worth it, because then you don't have a risk of getting copyright strikes. You can read more about the license right here. Another great resource is called Storyblocks. This also costs some money. If you are starting with $0 budget, then of course you can use Pexels and Pixabay, but if you have a few dollars to invest in yourself and your own business, then Envato Elements and Storyblocks will be great resources. And once you want music, you can of course use these resources that I showed you, but one of the best resources is also YouTube Audio Library. So you search on Google YouTube Audio Library and you will find it immediately, and these are copyright free music. You can see more than 1,400 currently, probably even more when you're watching, and there are a lot of wonderful clips. Another option might be copyright free music on YouTube, but this is a little bit risky, because anybody can create a channel and then they can say, hey, this is copyright free, but it may not be copyright free, so you are still taking a small risk. For that reason, I would say it's much safer to use YouTube Audio Library. Once you have downloaded all of those clips, you can simply drag and drop them into your video editor, whether you're using computer or phone. You can use a free software such as iMovie, for example, and let me just show you how easy it is to drag and drop. Let me show you an example from yesterday. I downloaded one photo. I just drag and drop it right here, and you can see it's immediately right here. We can adjust everything. You can see all of these things really easily. So I show you more details about this one in the other videos. And most of the motivational videos on YouTube are created using these types of methods. So downloading other people's clips, audios, and then recreating your own version using, for example, a free software like iMovie. And you can see these are getting tens of millions of views, and some of the most successful channels are making millions of dollars every single year. Let's take for example this one, Ben Lionel Scott. You can see just from YouTube ads, he's earning almost $500,000 a year, estimated by Social Blade. And as you know, ad revenue is just a small part of your YouTube revenue, so we can safely estimate that he's making millions of dollars per year simply by copy pasting different motivational videos. And of course there are other types of videos you can create as well. Relaxing music is a popular topic on YouTube, and let's take for example Shooting Relaxation channel right here. You can see just from YouTube ads he's earning more than $2 million, and if we calculate also the other parts of his revenue, he's possibly making more than $10 million a year just with his YouTube channel. But of course we must understand that if you want to be at this level like this guy, you probably need to put a lot of work, so it's not going to come immediately. And this channel specifically is composing his own music, so he's not using other people's music, unlike many other relaxation channels. But let's say that he's earning $10 million a year. Let's say that you earn just 1% of that. That would still be $100,000 a year. So pretty nice income what we are talking about. Then there is some fourth method for making money without creating videos yourself, and that is translating your videos. Let's say that you have videos in English. Let me show you my own example. I have a YouTube channel called Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people to make money. So I decided I will pay somebody some money and then they will translate it into Spanish. So I created this channel, Gana Dinero en Línea, Earn Money Online in English, and you can see he has now created these videos in Spanish. So if I put some volume right here, you can hear.
Si aún no ha reclamado el bono de Bybit y desea obtenerlo ahora mismo.
So in the same way you can do with your videos. You simply pay somebody money, they will create a voiceover in a different language and you earn money automatically. Now for example with this channel, Gana Dinero en Línea, I earn money automatically once I have paid money for that voiceover. But of course you first need to have those videos in one language. So if you don't have them yet, you can use those strategies number 2 and 3 that I explained, and then you can increase your income by translating those successful videos into other languages as I have done, and then your income will increase like a snowball. So what are the secrets that gurus don't tell you? The first secret is that most gurus who put in the title how to make money on YouTube without creating videos yourself, they are not even using the strategy that they show in their videos. They simply create a video with that title to get a lot of views, but they use a different strategy themselves. These strategies that I show you, for example translating videos and also republishing videos, I'm using myself to make money on YouTube. But gurus usually know that there is an easier way to make money, and that is usually simply taking your phone and clicking record. And if you have a camera, you can simply click record on your camera and you open your mouth. That's also how I make money on YouTube, because I and many other people find it much easier to make money by simply clicking record and opening this thing right here, which is known as mouth, rather than searching for high quality copyright videos on Pexels, Pixabay, copy pasting those videos into a video editor, finding relevant audios, music on different platforms, and trying to avoid copyright strikes and demonetization. So what is the best money making method for you? The best method will depend on your individual situation. Most importantly, 3 things. First, your budget. Do you want to do everything for free, or do you have some money that you are ready to invest? Second, your skill level. What are your strengths? And third, your personal interests. What do you enjoy doing? Let's take 3 quick examples. Example 1. Let's say that you have a low budget. You don't want to invest a lot of money, but you like to sit in front of your computer, copy paste clips from these different websites into an editor. Then creating a faceless channel may be a good idea for you. I show you more details on my YouTube journey to freedom here. 7 YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. More than $700 a day. Example number 2. You want to create videos without researching all those clips and audios, but you love to talk about some topic and you love to make money for free. Then what I would recommend is that you simply take your phone, click record and open your mouth and start earning money like I am doing. Example number 3. You have a lot of money available and you already know the money making process on YouTube. You have gone through my educational videos, you have gone through my YouTube Journey to Freedom program, and you know how you can make money on YouTube just like this. Then you can pay money for someone and they will create the video videos for you and you will collect the money. The conclusion of this all is that anybody can make money on YouTube. No matter your skill level, background, interest or budget, you can make money on YouTube. There is a suitable money making method for anybody, including you. But do know that it will require some effort in order to make a life-changing income. Don't let any fake guru persuade you thinking that you will start making life-changing income without doing anything, without any of your own effort. Do this instead. Step number 1. Pick the right method for you. You can use some of those 4 methods that I mentioned in this video. Step number 2. Start taking massive actions. And step number 3 is that your earning potential is much higher than in any 9-to-5 job. Once you will earn enough money on YouTube, you can quit your old job and you can simply do something that you love for the rest of your life. Now, if you want to learn even more in detail how to make money on YouTube, come to see other videos on my channel Tube Journey to Freedom, where we dive into details of each of these strategies. And if you want to get even more of my support and you want to get everything in one place, join my program Tube Journey to Freedom, where I show you everything from A to Z to making a life-changing income on YouTube. Here we show how to monetize your YouTube channel, in other words, how to make money. One-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, how to start earning money even from the first video, how to get paid even before creating videos, best way to earn $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much more. So you and me, my friend, we are going to see inside Tube Journey to Freedom program and in my other videos on this channel.